Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and tools because skipping this costs time later. First, verify your iPhone model and iOS. Some ports need a jailbreak. Then, back up everything to iCloud or to your computer. Make sure you have a full image. Next, on your PC, download the jailbreak tool, the Android port for your exact model, plus ADB and Fastboot. Once done, enable developer options and USB debugging where applicable, and connect the phone to the PC via a reliable cable. Now you perform the core installation steps while watching logs. Start by applying the jailbreak or unlocking the bootloader per the tool. This grants low-level access. Once unlocked, use ADB to reboot into recovery mode and sideload the Android system image you downloaded. The process can take several minutes. After the system, flash required vendor blobs and a compatible kernel. These provide hardware drivers. Make sure checksums match, because a mismatch can brick the phone. When flashing finishes, prepare for the first boot. Finish by completing setup and confirming hardware functions, because that's where most issues surface. During the first boot, expect 10 to 20 minutes. Be patient and watch for boot loops. If the device loops or lacks Wi-Fi, reboot to recovery, reflash the recovery image, and inspect ADB logcat to isolate the driver or permission failure. If unrecoverable, restore your iOS image from the backup you made earlier. One key tip: keep the original backup until the Android port proves stable. It's your safety net.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.